Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the remote model and Fire TV firmware. This ensures you follow the right procedure for paired or IR remotes. Once done, replace batteries with fresh AAA cells and power cycle the Fire Stick and TV to clear transient glitches. Use your phone camera to confirm the remote's IR emitter blinks or that Bluetooth pairing attempts show. If pairing fails, go straight to repairing mode. If IR works but volume still fails, proceed to check TV/receiver settings next. Now you repair and inspect audio routing. Hold home for 10 seconds to force Bluetooth pairing, then confirm the remote appears under controllers and Bluetooth devices. Make sure HDMI-C is enabled on both TV and receiver because the volume commands often route via CEC. If your receiver uses ARC, confirm the TV output is set to ARC. Update Fire OS to the latest build and disconnect other Bluetooth audio devices that might intercept volume commands. Finish with advanced fixes. Perform a remote factory reset by holding back plus menu plus left simultaneously for 10 seconds, then repair. If the problem persists, test volume control using the TV's original remote or a universal remote to isolate whether the Fire remote hardware is faulty. Replace the remote if physical buttons are unresponsive despite LEDs and pairing working. If nothing helps, back up profiles and perform a Fire Stick factory reset. Use this as a last resort because it wipes settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.